Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Because Explore, and today I'm in Walkeshwar, which is this area. We're actually going in that direction because we are going to the Banganga Tank, which is kind of like an historical place. Yeah, and if you already know how to reach there, you can just skip to the part where I'm at the Banganga Tank. But I'm going to take a walk down to the Banganga Tank. So let's get going. And that's actually the bus stand from where you can board the bus to CST station, obviously, but yeah, other destinations as well. I'm actually going to Banganga Tank, so let's go. So we take this lane, which is like kind of like a small by lane. Now, this place is quite famous for film shoots and everything. They don't shoot movies anymore because of the fact that they kind of like damaged the Banganga Tank way back. So, anyways, lots of temples here. See, over there, over there. Continue. Take a left from here. Not like a side entrance. Oh shit, no. Wrong. Okay. This is the kind of the entrance that you can take, but that's what it looks like from here. So you can take this small entrance or the main entrance that's up over there.